Come on, baby, you got it.
Oh. You gotta do it.
No, I ain't doing it. That's all you.
I'm not doing it, you do it.
That's your poop in there. You get to do it. Go on. Come on.
I can't, because I would have pooped outside.
No, come on. Come on, honey. You're halfway there. All you got to do is take that plastic lid off and then tie that bag shut. And we'll leave it right in the bucket. Come on, you can do it.
I cannot do it.
Yeah, you can. Come on.
I can't.
Yeah, you can.
You have to do it.
No, you got to do it.
No, you did it
It's a rite of passage. You poop in the bucket. You got to handle your own poop.
I would have pooped by a tree.
You made the conscious decision to sit on that pot and take your crap. So, come on.
I can't do it.
There you can. Come on.
I can't. I'm going to throw up my lunch.
No, you're not. You didn't have lunch. You had breakfast. Come on. All you got to do is pull this plastic lid off and tie that bag up. I'm not doing it. Forget it. No way. Come on. Come on. Just get in there and do it. Come on. Plug your nose. Don't breathe in your nose.
I'm throwing up thinking of it. You have to do it.
Come on, honey.
I can't do it.
You can do it. Come on.
I can't.
Yeah, you can. Come on.
I shouldn't have done that. I can't do it.
Yes, you can. Pull the lid off.
It wasn't even a big turd. I can't do it.
Yes, you can. Come on. Pull. Don't breathe.
You have to do it. I'm going to go potty. You can't handle it.
Oh my God, that was
I
hilarious.
can't do it.
This is camping, folks. Oh my God.